visionary individuals who have invested their energy and financial resources to bring us to this moment. I'd like to warmly welcome you. I'd also like to acknowledge our Managing Director, Maria Kinson, her dedicated team of tutors, mentors and coaches, and most importantly, the heart of our mission, our students. These remarkable individuals are embarking on a journey to become not just community carers, but our future leaders in our community. Today, we'll start with a brief formal ceremony to officially open CarersPlus. Then we'll invite our students to guide you through the training centre and share their journeys with you. Afterwards, we'd like to invite you to share a light lunch with us. The students you meet today joined us in February, our pioneering cohort. Many come from rural areas of Saba, from campus often described as marginalised communities. These individuals represent our future carers, the community-driven resources who will enable our seniors to remain in their homes for as long as they wish and can do so safely. And as you'll discover today, they're also emerging as future community leaders. We have a growing wait list. Today is some 15 plus students ready to start the journey to become home carers. Unfortunately, at the moment, our limited resources force us to restrict their entry. Let me share with you why CarersPlus exists and why your presence here today matters so deeply to us. Today we stand at a crossroad. The challenge before us is not just about money. It's not just about building more care homes. It's about something far deeper. Our failure to understand the needs of our ageing society and plan for it before it's too late. Most of us seem to think the government or somebody else is magically going to solve the problem. Most of us don't think about ageing until we're forced to. By then, the choices are limited, the costs are high, and the burden is overwhelming. Right now, there is a profound lack of foresight in how we approach ageing. The conversation is often reduced to finding a mate for granny. But this is not enough. We must elevate our thinking beyond short-term fixes to address the strategic and systemic challenges our ageing society faces. Malaysia will attain the position of an aged nation sooner than most of other countries. For Malaysia, it will take 24 years. For Sweden, it took 112 years. Our elderly population is doubling from 7% to 14% in just 24 years. According to the United Nations forecast, Malaysia will be classified as an old country by 2030, when the population of people aged 60 and up accounts for 15% of the total population. By 2030, more than 15% of Malaysia will be over 60. This isn't just a statistic, it's a transformation that will reshape our society. This burgeoning elderly demographic, our silver-haired tsunami, will place unprecedented demands on the nation's social, community and healthcare systems. Care is a basic human right, and providing care for those who cannot care for themselves is vital to human health and social welfare. But here's the uncomfortable truth we must confront. Aging is not a disease to be treated in hospitals. It's a natural part of life that requires us to reimagine how we live, how we work, and how we care for one another. The traditional model where families bear the entire burden of elder care is becoming unsustainable. The COVID-19 pandemic exposed the fragility of our care infrastructure and taught us crucial lessons. Care is a basic human right. It's not a luxury. CarersPlus Asia stands at the intersection of two urgent Malaysian challenges. Firstly, the critical shortage of dignified, community-based elder care as we rapidly approach ageing nation status by 2030. Secondly, the persistent inequality of opportunity that keeps Saba's rural youth marginalised with limited and meaningful career paths, what the World Bank refers to in East Malaysia as the inequality of opportunity. The CarersPlus model is built to empower the community to to address these two problems. We offer underemployed youth an option. We skill them. We provide a national accreditation for them. We give them a help to find a role in the community where there is an unmet demand for their skilled resources. At the same time, we seek to assist the community to build and manage an infrastructure that will allow our seniors to live at home for as long as they wish and can do so safely, to age in place. We're pioneering a community-driven model where care happens at home, supported by well-trained professionals and appropriate technology. Our solution isn't institution-centric. We're moving from treating ageing as a medical problem to embracing it as a community responsibility. The young adult you will meet today, who experiencing codependent for the first time, are not just our future carers. They are the living embodiment of how we can reduce inequality through opportunity. They represent a new vision where caring professions offer dignity, respect, and meaningful career paths. We don't expect governments to solve these problems alone. True progress will come through empowering communities, through engagement and partnership. What we're building at CarersPlus creates value across generations, transforming both the experience of ageing and the future of relationship workforce. As you tour our facility today and observe the talent of facilities we are bringing together, I ask you to consider, firstly, how might we collectively reimagine care as a community responsibility? One that supports our older people to live at home for as long as they wish and can do so safely, rather than offering only one alternative, institutionalised aged care. Secondly, how can we ensure that our elders age with dignity while creating meaningful career opportunities for our youth? I now have the honour of introducing to you our distinguished guest who will help us officially open CarersPlus. Until Tuesday night, Maria nor I had actually had the privilege of meeting Dato Sri personally, though his reputation for community service certainly precedes him. Through his leadership of the ECM Foundation, he has channeled his passion for community contribution into tangible actions. The foundation he guides focuses on addressing the inequalities faced by marginalised communities, what the World Bank has termed the equality of opportunity. What particularly resonates with me and Dato Sri approach is his commitment to sustainable solutions rather than temporary aid. A philosophy that aligns perfectly with our mission at CarersPlus. Distinguished guests, community leaders, ladies and gentlemen, it's my great honour to invite Dato Sri to address us and officially open